My name is Kelly Shuti, and I've been working with George and his team for a number of years. George and Mia and Sasha and Chris and David are the names that are coming to my head right now. They have done our home here in Lincolnshire, our home up in Wisconsin, and have never had anything but wonderful work done by all of them. Their professionalism, the quality of work, the cleanliness has been just awesome. We have referred the business over and over again, and some have taken up, some haven't for whatever reason, but the name is out there. It's a great company. The people are wonderful, and I would encourage everybody and anybody to give them a try. You'll never turn to another cleaner. Or another, they do water restoration. They've helped us there many times, unfortunately, but they've helped us. So whatever your service is, they'll be able to help you. So I encourage you to give them a call.